Hello everyone, welcome to the PPT on the problem Botanical Traceability of Ayurvedic Herbs. We are team Ecosphere from Samrat Ashok Technological Institute participating in Smart India Hackathon 2025. Now meet our team member. Our team consists of 6 members. Our team leader is Shreya Mangal, Anand Sasodia, Priyanshu Sarjan, Devanshu Vishwakarma, Nandini Rajput, Vaishnavi Manware. We are presenting our idea, a blockchain and IoT based solution for botanical traceability of Ayurvedic herbs. Our aim is to ensure transparency, authenticity, and trust across the herbal medicine supply chain. Now we will discuss about our problem statement. Today, the herbal industry faces major challenges: adulteration of herbs due to lack of traceability, no proper quality checks at collection points, difficulty in ensuring regularity, compliance with Ayush and WHO GMP standards, lack of consumer trust in herbal formulation. This gap leads to loss of brand reputation, farmer exploitation, and consumer health risk. Now, we will discuss about the proposed solution. Our solution connects farmers and wild collectors through a mobile app or even SMS for rural accessibility. At the point of collection, we capture geotagging and GPS coordinates, timestamp of herbs, collected identity, initial quality matrices. This data is stored on blockchain to ensure it cannot be tampered with. It is then available to lab chemists for the testing, processing, and packaging, and finally shared with consumers through QR codes on the product. Now, how this process works? The workflow is simple. Farmer or collector, data entry via app or SMS, blockchain storage, lab tests, processing and packaging, QR code for consumers. Consumers can scan the QR code and instantly see details like farm location, lab test reports, and certification compliance. This builds trust and transparency. Now, addressing the problem. Our solution directly addresses 4 key issues. First, authenticity and provenance, traceable source of herbs. Second, quality assurance, pesticide and sustainability check. Third, regulatory compliance, certified under Ayush, WHO, GMP. Fourth, consumer trust, verified QR code and certified herbs. Now, what are the innovations and uniqueness? Our solution stands out because current system lack true end-to-end digital documentation. Second, we use IoT sensor and blockchain for real-time monitoring. Third, it improves market access and brand reputation for manufacturers. Fourth, traceability information is democratized, accessible to all stakeholders from farmers to consumers. Now, let us explain the technical approach of our solution, covering the technologies we used and the methodology we follow. First, technologies to be used. Programming language. We are using Python and JavaScript as our primary programming languages. Python is excellent for data handling and blockchain integration, while JavaScript powers the web interfaces and user interaction. Blockchain frameworks. For blockchain, we are integrating multiple frameworks. React.js for the front-end, ensuring a smooth and interactive user interface. Hyperledger Fabric is in Go language for permissioned blockchain suitable for supply chain tracking. Solidity on Ethereum to develop smart contrast for automation and secure transaction. OpenChain and OpenChain source blockchain to provide flexibility and scalability for future growth. IoT and hardware. On the hardware side, we use GPS-enabled mobile devices for geotagging, IoT sensors for capturing quality, parameters and environmental data, QR code printers and scanners to generate and validate product traceability for consumers. Cloud and database. Finally, all data is stored securely using MongoDB database and monitored through cloud platforms like AWS and Azure. This ensures decentralized, scalable, and reliable data storage and monitoring. Our methodology follows a 5-step processes. First, collection and registration. Farmers or collectors register herbs through the mobile app or SMS with GPS location and timestamp. Validation and initial processing. Lab chemists validate herb quality, pesticide level, and sustainability compliance. Supply chain tracking. Data is recorded on a blockchain as the herbs move through suppliers, processor, and logistic. Manufacturing and final packaging. Verified herbs are processed, packed, and assigned QR codes linked to their blockchain data. Consumers and dealer interface. End users, dealers, and regulators can scan QR codes to access full traceability information, ensuring authenticity and trust. In short, our technical approach combines blockchain for security, IoT for real-time data, and cloud for scalability, creating a robust and transparent supply chain system for Ayurvedic herbs. Now, let's talk about the feasibility and viability of our solution. First, technical feasibility. Our system is technically feasible because the core technologies like Hyperledger, Fabric, and Ethereum have already been successfully implemented in supply chain use cases worldwide. We are also integrating QR codes for consumer engagement, which is simple, scalable, and widely adopted. Second, market feasibility. There is strong market feasibility because most stakeholders in the botanical and herbal supply chain already prefer traceability solutions. Customers are willing to pay a premium price for products that come with verified traceability and safety certificates. This shows that our solution has a strong adoption potential both in domestic and global herbal market. Third, operational feasibility. From an operational perspective, the solution is cost effective. IoT sensor and QR code are affordable and easy to deploy, making the system practical for farmers, collectors, and manufacturers. Challenge. Of course, there are some challenges. Training farmers and collectors to use digital tools like apps or QR codes. Ensuring reliable internet connectivity in rural and tribal areas, building initial trust among stakeholders to adopt a blockchain-based system. But these challenges can be overcome through capacity building, SMS-based alternative, and government or industry collaboration. So, overall, our idea is technically robotics, market ready, and operationally cost effective, making it a highly feasible and viable solution for botanical traceability in Ayurvedic industry. Now, we will discuss about the impacts. First, farmers and collectors gain direct access to transparent, verifiable records of contribution. Second, manufacturers and distributors can guarantee the integrity of their supply chain, AYUSH, WHO GMP, and FDA requirements. Third, consumers benefit from access to clear, verifiable information about origin, quality, authentic, and safety of Ayurvedic product. Fourth, regulatory bodies gain robust tools for transparent, real-time records to minimize frauds. Now, we will talk about the benefits. They stand on the three pillars: social, economic, and environmental. First, social benefits. Ensure only authenticated herbs enter the market, greatly reducing risk to consumer health. Empower rural collectors. elevate brand and consumer trust. Now, economic benefits. First, automation via smart contracts. End-to-end visibility reduces fraud. Open access to premium and export markets. Promotes supply chain efficiency. Real-time monitoring, automated procurement. Now, environmental benefits. First, support sustainable harvesting, reduce waste and spoilage, which makes our country and our earth healthy. Now, we will talk about the future scopes. First, integration with artificial intelligence. Second, scalability to other herbal and medicinal supply chains. Third, IoT and real-time quality validation. Thank you. So, this was our idea for solving the problem statement with innovation, teamwork, and technology. We believe this solution can create a real change. To conclude, our project ensures efficiency, transparency, and long-term impact. Thank you for your time and attention. We are excited to take this idea forward.